Do you want to increase your income without complicated investments or stress? In this video, I'll share 5 easy and practical ways to improve your financial life, even if you're starting from zero. So, if you're a student, a freelancer, or you just want to get smarter with money, let's get started. First up, track your expenses. I know it sounds boring, but trust me, small daily expenses like snacks, subscriptions, or random online shopping add up fast. When I started keeping track of every little thing I spent money on, I was shocked at how much was slipping through the cracks. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a notebook, and suddenly, you're in control instead of wondering where your paycheck disappeared. Next, never rely on just one source of income. This is huge. Try out freelancing, online tutoring, selling digital products, or even starting a small side hustle you enjoy. I used to think a single salary was enough, but once I explored side gigs, I realized how much more secure and flexible my finances became. Multiple income streams don't just boost your earnings, they give you peace of mind. Tip number 3, save before you spend. This is the pay yourself first rule, and it's a game changer. As soon as you get paid, set aside at least 10 to 20%, even if it feels like a small amount. Over time, these savings can turn into a financial cushion that rescues you when you need it most. And honestly, watching your savings grow is a feeling like no other. On to number 4, invest in yourself. The best way to boost your earning potential is by learning new skills. Take online courses, get certifications, or just dive into topics you're passionate about. I found that every time I pick up a new skill, new opportunities start coming my way. The world rewards people who keep learning, so make yourself your best investment. And finally, avoid bad debt. High-interest loans and credit card debt are like quicksand for your finances. If you can, steer clear of unnecessary borrowing, and if you already have debt, make paying it off a top priority. Being debt-free gives you freedom and lets your money work for you, not against you. Improving your finances doesn't require luck, just smart habits and consistency. Start applying these tips today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your money situation improves. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment finance for more money tips. Thanks for watching.